Hi, today we will be playing Harvest Moon on our ukuleles. This has a beautiful intro lick that repeats throughout the song, so if you can learn that, then the rest of the song feels pretty simple. Let me play you the intro lick and then we're gonna break it down one baby step at a time. Like where to position your thumb and each finger and the strumming hand. I'm gonna break it all down. So get comfy and let's do this. So this is what it sounds like. So as you can see, that little intro part comes back in the verse, so let's learn that. What I like doing is I put my thumb behind the second fret or second or third fret of the ukulele. I'm gonna have the thumb come up from the top like this, okay? And the reason I want that is because I want the fingers to cascade down from the headstock so that they will all fit on one string, index, middle, ring, pinky. If I have my thumb parallel, then my fingers are gonna bleed into the other frets and they're not quite going to work. So I have those fingers at the top and rest them on each string and give me that down, up, down, up. Now, when you're strumming, if you find yourself like not being able to strum fast or like your fingers get caught, you might be strumming over the sound hole, look up. So if you're strumming over the sound hole, your finger might be falling in. So what I like to do is I like to strum right here, look. I like to strum where the fretboard and the body meet because my finger will just fall off and come back up without getting stuck on the sound hole. So try strumming right here. That's like your sweet spot, okay? Actually, try strumming everywhere to see where you find a sound you like. But for today, as you follow along, try that. So give me a down up that's muted. Again. Perfect. The next down up that I need from you, you can relax in between these, is a D chord. So that's why I had you in this position, because you're going to do that down up that's muted and then a down up on D chord. So pretty, right? So pretty. So mute, mute, and then D, D. It already sounds like the song, right? Okay. The next note that we're doing is the entire second fret held down. And for this we need down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. It's a little bit swung. Down, up, down, up. Okay, so don't make it too like down, up, down, up. Don't make it robotic. Okay, so let's review what we have so far. We have the hands coming up from the top. We're gonna mute all the strings and do a down, up. And then D chord down, up. And then the entire second fret down, up, down, up. Okay, so together that sounds like this. Can you be doing bars? Yes, you can, but it may affect your speed. So if you can do it this way, it'll make you really fast. Now the next thing that you do is really tricky because the next thing you have to do is wait. And so this is where I anticipate that some people will not sound like the song. See what I'm talking about? Before I do that, there's a pause. So that's what you have to do next. It's a mute, mute, down, up, down, up, down, up, wait. And then we go to a D major 7 and do up, up, down, up. Why am I doing an up, up? Isn't it the same thing to do a down, down? No, because we need to focus on the details. The details make the music beautiful. And if we analyze what's happening on string A, it's this. So what we want to do is hit that A string first for that beautiful high note. So that's why I'm asking you to do If I do it the other way, you can still hear it, but it's not the first thing that you hear. So that's why I'm asking for an up, up. Now you have everything you need for that little intro lick that repeats throughout the song. So let's see if we can put it together. We're just gonna loop it. Repeat, repeat, and repeat. Let's try it. Have fun. Play with joy. Have fun. We're doing this for fun, right? Here we go. 1 and 2 and mute. Go. Now. Wait. Up, down, up, mute, mute. Up, down, up. Pause. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. I can do better counting in. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mute, mute. That's how I'll count it in, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mute, mute. Mute, mute. Oh, isn't that so pretty? Yeah. By the way, let me talk about my thumb. Let's look at what the thumb is doing when I'm playing this, okay? So go ahead and look at the thumb this time. It's almost like a door, right? It's swinging from up here to down here, up here to down here. So it's opening like a door. So it's staying in the same general location. It just pivots, is that? It hinges? What would be the right word for that? Somebody help me out in the comments. Okay, so now we're ready for the verse. So I think we're ready for the verse. And the verse starts on a G chord. And you're gonna strum it for a bit, and then the voice comes in. The singing goes like this. Come a little bit closer. Let me see. Come a little bit closer. Okay? So let's try it. Oh, and the strumming that I'm doing is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And then I go back to. I think you can do it. Let's try it. We will do it a bunch of times until we feel like we've got it, okay? So don't worry about getting it on the first try. Just try. Here we go. 1, 2, G chord, ready, go. Come a little bit closer. Hear what I have to say. Again, mute, mute. G chord. Just like children sleeping, we could dream this night away. Mute, mute. Up, down, up, mute, mute. G chord. But there's a full moon rising. Let's go dancing in the light. We know where the music's playing. Let's go out and feel the night. Okay, relax the hands. Oh, get a little break. Okay. If you would like the sheet music to this, to what we're doing, I've made it for my Patreon members. Patreon is this site that allows you to support creators like me. You can log on with a Facebook account or with a Gmail account, whatever you like. And for a fee, so like mine is $5 for $5 per month, you get to attend my live ukulele lessons, my live guitar lessons. You get access to all the replays of everything that I've made, any PDFs that I've made, and then I do some meetups in person. So we did one in the Netherlands, we did one here in California, we're planning one for Vancouver. So that's where I share all the news first and the tickets first. I share with my Patreon members, so if you would like the printable and all of that, it's available there. Okay, so I'm just giving you a little handbrake because we're gonna do that verse again. Actually, we're gonna do the intro and then the verse again. And then let me think. Okay, yeah. Today I'm playing the Ohana Solid Mango Ukulele in tenor size, and I put Worth Brown low G strings on it. I'll link the ukulele and I'll link the strings down below. This may be on back order when you see the video, but check the link down below. Okay, are you ready? Roll the shoulders back, breathe, and remember we're doing this for fun. Don't take it too seriously, just enjoy the journey. Okay, here we go. Intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, mute, mute, ready, go, mute, mute. Come a little bit closer, hear what I have to say. Just like children sleeping, we could dream this night away. Let's go dancing in the light. We know where the music's playing. Let's go out and feel the night. Okay, so now we go to the chorus. Wait, let's celebrate. We did that. We did that verse. Okay, now let's go into the next section. For that, we need a G. Because I'm still in love with. Go to an A. You. I wanna hear you dance again. Because I'm still in love with you. And guess what happens on the word moon? Moon. So let's try this section. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do it. Go. Because I'm still in love with you. I wanna see you dance again. Because I'm still in love with you. If you made it this far in the video, I have something special for you. So there are actually 2 little motifs or moments in the music of this song that are so iconic. We've worked on one of them, right? But the second one sounds like this. Right? Come a little bit closer. Hear what I have to say. So for that one, what I'm doing is I go to the 7th frets of strings C, E, and A. And then my index finger goes to the 4th fret of that C string. So it is really a funny position but it's such a rewarding song. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe. You can hit the bell notification so that you can watch my live lessons that I do here on Mondays. I do lessons on my whiteboard. Let me show you. I'm gonna move the camera. Okay. So I actually stand right there, and I put all of the music on the whiteboard, and we play together. We figure the song out, and we get to chat in real time. And I also teach Wednesdays and Thursdays for my Patreon members, so I'll have that link down below. I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do a cover, please tag me on Instagram, Plazi, or tag me here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!